In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the sky using Blender 4.2. We go to Setting, Z, then Render View, so that we can see changes in real time. Change shader type to world because we're building an environment. Click, drag, and then release. Search for the sky texture node. Now the sky is not blowing up at all. To fix that, we need to increase the ozone level. And if you want a darker blue sky, just bring down the strength of the background node. Now it's time to create clouds. Click on background node and hit C+D to duplicate it. Add noise texture for making clouds. So now we got two setups, cloud and the blue skies. We will mix them together and solve them at the same time on screen by adding Acid node. Adjust the strength of the background node. Now you can see that the density of the noise texture is too high now, so we cannot see the blue sky anymore. We can fix that by adding color ramp. This node works like a mask in Photoshop. Now adjust some parameters to make the cloud look more realistic. Now we've got a beautiful sky, but there is one problem. We cannot control the position or rotation of these clouds at all. To do that, click on Noise Texture, then hit Ctrl plus T to call out these nodes. Make sure you already enable this add-on or the hotkey will not work. Now you can decide where your cloud should be by adjusting this number. Like, share, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.